To use double tap spacebar to add period on your Galaxy Watch with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting, scroll down the screen, tap general, under input section, tap Samsung keyboard, under smart typing section, tap the gray on off switch next to double tap spacebar to add period until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works on your Galaxy Watch, open an app where you can type something like messages. Now type a sentence and then double tap the space key to easily enter a period followed by a space. Given to the function, enabling the double tap spacebar shortcut helps you type more efficiently on your Galaxy Watch without needing to switch between symbols. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.